Class leader. Good morning, class. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Okay, so let's have a warm-up song. So everybody, please stay in the middle. Okay, stay in the middle. Are you ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, again. It's me, it's you, it's us who builds community. It's me, it's you, it's us who builds community. It's me, it's you, it's us who builds community. It's community. Okay, roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea.
on page number, okay, page 28. Okay, 28. So our lesson for today is about describing people. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about describing people. Okay. Okay, so we have, the first one is hairstyles. Everybody? Okay, no. Hairstyles. Hairstyles. Okay, next is hair colors. Okay, hair colors. Okay, and the third one is eye colors. Okay, eye colors. Okay, so now let's start with the hairstyles. Okay, long hair. Long hair. Straight hair. Okay, straight hair. Short hair. Short hair. Curly hair. Curly hair. Okay, next, let's go to hair colors. Okay, blonde hair. Okay, blonde hair. Gray hair. Gray hair. Black hair. Black hair. And the last one is brown hair. Okay, again, brown hair. Okay, the third one. Okay, blue eyes. Black eyes. Green eyes. Brown eyes. Okay, everybody repeat. Okay, hairstyles. Everybody. Long. Very good. And the eye colors? Okay, so question. What does she look like? Okay, what does she look like? Okay, so your answer is she's got long hair. Okay? Again, what does she look like? She's got long hair. Okay, repeat. She's got long hair. Okay, very good. Next, what does she look like? Very good. What does she look like? Okay, what does she look like? Okay, let's go to hair colors. Okay, what does he look like? He's got. Very good. What does she look like? Okay, what does he look like? Okay, last one. What does he look like? Oh, very good. Everybody, clap your hands. Okay, clap your hands. Very good. What hair color is this? Okay, black hair. Okay, hairstyle. How about hairstyle? What hairstyle is this? Okay, short hair. Okay, so now we put together. Okay, so now, what does he look like? Okay, he's got black hair. Again, he's got black hair. Okay, so now let's try to put together the hairstyle and the hair colors. Okay, so now let's put together. Okay, so the hairstyle first is look like? Okay, hairstyle first. Hairstyle. Yeah, hairstyle and hair colors. Okay, okay, she's got.
Take mic.
Okay, again, sorry. Okay, again. She's got, I'll show to everybody. Okay, she's got.
She got short brown hair.
Okay, one more time.
She got short brown hair.
Okay, she's got short brown hair. Is that correct? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Everyone. Okay, very good. Okay, next, let's go to number 20. Number 20. 20? Okay, number 20. Okay, number 20. Okay, number 20. Okay, number 20. What does he look like? What does he look like? He's got. Okay, short.
Mic, mic.
Sorry.
She
He's got.
got short hair.
Okay, let's put together hairstyle and hair colors. Okay, so what hair color is this? What hair color is this? Brown, right? Brown. Okay, and then hairstyle, short. So let's put together. He's got short brown hair. Okay, again.
He's got this brown hair.
Okay, short.
Short.
Okay, he's got short brown
He
hair.
got short brown hair.
Okay, again.
He got
Short.
short brown hair.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, now let's go to. Okay, 32. Now, what does she look like? Okay, number 32. Okay, so everybody, what does she look like? Okay, everybody, what does she look like? Okay, again. Okay, 32. Answer. She's. Straight. What hair color? Brown. Okay, again, number 32. Okay, again. What does she look like? What? Okay, what does she look like?
She got brown
Straight.
hair. Brown
hair.
hair.
Okay, one more time.
She got red brown hair.
Very good. Okay, number 32. Very good. Okay, she's got straight brown hair. Okay, very good. Multiple choice. A, B, and C. Okay, so A, B, and C. Okay, choose the correct answer. Okay, group 2. So we have A, B, C. Group 3, A, B, C. And group 4, A, B, and C. Okay, group number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, group 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Listen carefully. เมื่อกี้ที่เชื่อมามีพูดได้ไง Can you explain me อธิบายดูได้ไหม How you play the game Can you explain me อธิบายให้ผู้ฟังได้ไหมคะ I understand when teacher Mami explain to you teacher Mami อธิบายให้ฟังไหมฟังแล้วได้ยังไง don't play with your friend listen carefully ที่เชื่อมาที่บอกว่าเวลาหนูเล่นนะคะเวลาหนูเล่นอะถ้าเป็น correct answer you use the letter A B or C ต้อง correct answer เท่านั้นนะคะถึงหนูจะไปเลือกนะคะ หลังจากนั้น after that when you use A B C you run and then press the ring if you're the winner 1 2 3 4 got 1 point หมายความว่าใครได้เสร็จหนู use เสร็จ
Okay, are you ready? Okay, group number 1, are you ready? Okay, 2,
yes
3.
yes yes
Okay, let's start. Okay, guess who game. Number 1. A, letter B, and letter C. She's got straight hair. She's got straight hair. Ready? Go! Okay, so what is your answer? Letter? Letter? What is this? C.
C
Okay, so she's got straight hair. Okay.
she got straight hair
Okay, she's got straight hair. Letter C. Okay, let's check. Okay, so the answer is letter C. She's got straight hair. Very good. Okay, group number 3, 1 point. Okay, group number 3, 1 point. Yes, who gave? Look at the picture. A, B, and C. He's got blonde hair. He's got blonde hair. Ready? Go! Okay, group number 2 and number 3. Number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 2. What is your answer?
He got one hair.
What letter? Shoot.
A.
Letter A. Okay. Letter A. Okay, number 4. What is your answer? Letter?
B.
Okay, letter B. He's got blonde hair. Okay. Letter?
Go back to your.
Letter B. Okay, number 4. Letter B. Next, number? Okay, number 1. Okay, go back to your table. Number 4. Number 4. Go back to your table. Okay. And number 2. What is your answer? Letter?
A.
Letter A. Okay, next. And number 1.
Number 4.
Okay, number 4. Number 4. Number 3 and number 4. What is your answer? Letter?
A.
Okay, letter A. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay, correct. Okay, letter A. Group number 2. Okay, group number 2. Show. Okay, group number 2. Okay, letter A. Very good. A, B, and letter C. He's got curly hair. He's got curly hair. Okay, ready? Go! Okay, what is your answer? Okay, number 2. What is your answer? Number 3, sorry, number 3. Number 3, right? Okay, number 3.
Letter E.
Show. Letter
Letter E.
C.
Letter C.
Okay, Okay, letter C. Okay. Go back to your table. Okay, next. Group number 2. What is your answer?
Number
Okay, show.
C.
Letter C. Okay. Group number 2. Back to your table. Okay. Number 3. What is your answer? Okay, what is letter C? Okay, go back to your table. Okay. And number 4. Okay, what is your answer? C. What is letter C? He's got
Is that
curly
curly
hair.
hair?
Okay, he's got curly hair. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Okay, group number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Okay, now clap your hands. A. Picture number A. B. Picture number B. Letter B. And letter C. She's got, okay, hairstyle and her colors. Hairstyle and her colors. She's got long black hair. Okay, she's got long black hair. Okay, ready? Go! Okay, number 3. What is your answer? Okay, show.
C.
What is letter C? She's got
She got long hair.
long,
Long hair.
long black hair. Okay, she's got.
She got long black hair.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. What is your answer?
She's got long black hair.
Okay, letter.
C.
Okay, letter C. Very good. Okay, next. She's got.
She does long black hair.
Okay, letter.
C.
Okay, next.
She got long black hair.
Okay, letter. Okay, letter C. Okay, let's check. So she's got long blonde hair. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Very good. Okay, other hands. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Last one. Okay. Last one. We will continue next time. Okay, last one. So what does she look like? Okay, she's got curly black hair. Curly black hair. Okay, ready, go! Okay, first, number 2. Okay, what is your answer? Letter?
She got black hair.
Letter?
C.
Okay, back to your table. Next.
She got curly black hair.
Okay, letter?
C.
Okay, letter C.
She got curly black hair.
Letter?
C.
Okay, very good.
She got curly black hair.
Letter?
C.
Okay, very good. Okay, so it's a tie. So group 1, 4 points, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, final match. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Very good. Okay, letter C. Okay, sit down. Okay. Now, okay, final. Okay, final. Last one, final. What does she look like? What does she look like? Okay, ready? Go! Okay, number 3. Answer. What is your answer? Number 3, okay. Number 2, where?
Number 3.
Okay, what is your answer?
She got curly brown hair.
Okay, curly brown hair.
She got curly brown hair. She got curly brown hair.
Okay, she's got curly brown hair. But the first to push the button is group number 3. Okay, so the winner is group number 3. Congratulations. Okay, group number 3, the winner. Okay, group number 3, the winner. Okay, go up please. Okay, everybody please sit down. Okay, please sit down, please sit down. Okay, so the winner is group number 3. Okay. Okay, group number 3, notebook. Number 3. Group 3. All group 3, please pass your notebook. Page 28, 29. Okay. 28 and 29. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Ito ka assessment.
Okay, page 28 and 29. So class, we don't have enough time. So class leader. Okay, so MC, goodbye. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, first one. This first. Okay, this first. Okay, one line, ladies first. Ladies here, ladies first. Okay,